just take you around the school premises so that you will see how beautiful, how good looking the school is. Oh yeah, now just carry the camera and follow me.
Oh man, my love for this school is top notch. I so much love this school. Look at the school environment now. This is the outskirts of the school. Man. Wow. Federal Polytechnic, Orogun. Try and get your form. This is the security session, man. Look at the security there. Wow. I so much love this school. Just look at the school environment. Wow. Federal Polytechnic Orogun is one of the best polytechnics so far in West Africa. I so much love the environment. Try and get your form. All the required departments, they are here. We have 12 good departments now. The form is very affordable. Try and get your form. Wow, just look at the environment.